Okay, this is the next one. It's lesson 3, question 7, and what they're asking for is the RT, total resistance on this circuit. See, there's a little bit more going on. If you watch the last video, kind of have an idea where we're going to get started on this guy. What we're looking at first, or what I'm looking at first, is these three out here. That marker sucks. So we're looking at those three out there. So, simply we just want to combine those. We're going to redraw these circuits smaller as they're getting a little bit bigger here. We're just going to start compressing stuff down. So, we're going to take this out. And the resistor we're concerned with, these three, is this one right here. Because you can see it's in series with these two. So those aren't affected. So we're just going to combine these three for now. And those three are in parallel with this guy. These two right here. So we're going to combine these three and this one, and essentially we're going to be making our own little circuit like that. So let's get to it. So first we want to take the 11, the 17, the 8 ohm resistor, just add them up. So it gives us 36 ohms. And we're going to just redraw these right here like this. $36 ohms, then 15 and 13. Well, 5 and 13. You guys aren't here to correct me, so I'll have to try to correct myself. So, essentially, right here we got another fictional resistor of 18 ohms. So, we can actually use our reciprocal formula now. 1 over 18 plus 1 over 36. Essentially, what this is going to come out to be is going to be 12 ohms. So, at that point, these three are in series now, the 9, the 12, and the 14. And the 4. So this branch right here, essentially what this is looking like now to us, and really, you're going to see exactly what I'm trying to do every time I get a hold of one of these things. We're trying to simplify this down until it's just a basic series circuit. So right now we're at 25 ohms and 100 ohms. Okay, that's a little bit too far, so we'll just redraw right inside of it. So now that's just a simple parallel circuit right there. We can solve that right down. So we're going to use the reciprocal formula. 1 over 25 plus 1 over 100. And 1 all over. $20 ohms. That's our RT. It's all just breaking it down in series. It has no other current, has no other path to travel right here, so those three are in series. From here to here, current has no other place to travel. They're in series. But this is not in this is in series with this, but when it gets to here, current has a chance to split. So this is part of a different factor of it. This part of it has to be done first. Break these, combine these three, combine these two. Parallel formula. Then series with everything else. Once you have that designation to 25 ohms, once you broke that down to that point, then you just rock it out with these. It's going to be more straightforward. Hopefully we can get repetition this way or some other way to figure it out how to do it. You need to let me know what you need to see and how you need to see it. We can work through different ones. I'm picking the homework one so you can have it right in front of you. So let me know how this is working.